Let's take a look at the 2015 Algebra exam for NCEA 2. This is the end of year exam. I've got a few log questions here. Log question 1 says, find the value of this figure here, well, this expression here. Lots of ways of doing that, of course. Of course, the answer to this, or if you like, we'll say x is equal to. So what would that be? Well, x is equal to the logarithm of the solution, which is 1024, divided by the logarithm of the base, which in this case is 2. And we can just go to our calculator straight away, and we can say, what would that be? Now, by the way, I'm taking a shortcut here, as you'll kind of see. But if I was to do that on the calculator, and we can go straight to that, say, right, log of 1024, that's going to be this thing here. And I'm going to divide that by the log of 2. And I get 10. There's my answer. All right. So I've got is equal to 10. So the answer is 10. They probably want you to do it using index form, though. So this is the in log form. We're going to turn it to index form. So I'll just partition this bit off here. So if we were to write this in index form, this is log base 2 of 1024. And I'll rewrite that as log base 2 of 1024 is equal to the thing which we want to find. And the thing we want to find is actually the power. It's the exponent. It's the index. So writing this in index form, we first of all write the 2. 2 to the power of x is equal to 1024. Now, lots of ways of doing this, and of course, you could use some sort of exponents and things. I'm just going to use logs to this. I'm going to find the logarithm of this side, and I'm going to find the logarithm of this side. So log of this side becomes log of 2 to the power of x is equal to the log of 1024. And you'll immediately see why this way is the answer, but we just move straight there. Now, when you do go ahead and do this, what we find is the exponent here in a logarithm becomes the coefficient. So I'm now going to put that at the front and cross it out here. So now I've got x log 2 is log 1024. I'm going to divide both sides by log of 2. And, of course, we're left with x is equal to log of 1024 divided by the log of 2. And, of course, we know that the answer to that, when we work it out, is 10. And that is probably the best way of doing it. I expect they will want you to turn it into the index form, which is here, where you put the base, the power, and then the solution over here, or the result, if you like. So that's how I would go about that. Again, it depends. Ask your teacher which way they expect you to go ahead and do this.